Peppa Pig, Nursery Rhyme Time. This little piggy. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed at home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried wee 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 all the way home. Polly put the kettle on. 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 We all have tea. Suki, take it off again. Suki, take it off again. Suki, take it off again. They've all gone away. Ringa, ringa, roses. Ringa, ringa, roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Hey diddle, diddle. Hey diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Incy Wincy spider. Incy Wincy spider climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy spider climbed up the spout again. It's raining, it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He bumped his head and he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Pat a cake, pat a cake. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with the B, and put it in the oven for baby and me. Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with the rat-a-tat-tat. Old King Cole. Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his pipe, and he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers three. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.